And I'm Nakia, and we are the sound of
Hey guys, it's me, Nakia. I am logging to you guys today from the stairwell where we filmed our music video to Fate. If it looks familiar. If not, go check out our cover video to Fate by her. Selfish plug. Today is actually Khalida's birthday, and we have a couple of things planned. One being that we're going to New York tomorrow, which is Friday, but today is Thursday, February 20th, 2020. So today is her actual birthday, and we are at work until much later in the night. So one of the gifts that I knew Khalida would really enjoy is a vocal lesson from Natalie Weiss. If you guys don't know Natalie Weiss, she's this amazing vocal teacher and singer and just all the things in New York City. And because we're going to New York City, I was really, really determined to try and find a way to get her a lesson with her, and we were able to. So the lesson is like good price. However, I was like, I cannot afford it alone. So me and some family members of hers and mine, and well, our family members, and some friends from work all pitched in to get her a vocal lesson. So we're really excited to give her this card. I didn't have time to actually go to the store and get a card. So I made one. And it looks like this. And people signed it, and there's the certificate. And so I'm gonna go give it to her right now and film her reaction. I hope that she likes it. I feel like she'll love it, and I hope she's excited. We do have to buy her some sheet music and stuff too, so it's a really exciting day, and it's just one of the many surprises we have in store, so I'm really happy. So let's go give it to her.
Khalida, we have a gift for you. Do you like it?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy
Give me your show
birthday. She went way beyond the usual.
Look at how great she looks.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Enjoy. Now New York's really
Okay, so one of the things for this is you have to have 2 songs available and ready to go. So I figured today we had to give it to you today so you could pick the songs that you wanted to sing while you're there. Your appointment's at 5:30, so we have time to kill before we go. I also looked up how far it is from our hotel. It's about 30 minutes by train, so we're gonna go. I have 2 songs in mind for you that I know you wanted to work on, but that you weren't exactly sure about. And so I thought that those would be good songs. And one of them is Ocean Eyes, and the other one is When He Sees Me. So I thought that those would be good songs for you to pick. Of course, we still have to buy the music and all that stuff and just make sure you're good, but I wanted you to pick your music. And yeah. Also, I had to submit a minute video of you singing so that way she could decide if she
accepted
accepted it. Exactly. So I just want you to know that even on the days that you feel like you're not the greatest singer, Natalie Weiss thinks you're fantastic and chose to take you as one of her students for a lesson. So you have this card. You can write all over it because it's just symbolism. I have the real appointment on my phone. But yeah, Linda's not here, but she was like the first person to sign it. She was like, oh yeah, definitely. So yes.
So get your voice ready.
What'd you say?
So you're so sweet.
I tried. I was, that's why me and Aisha and Tiara disappeared yesterday so they could sign it. She caught on to that real fast, guys. Like, it just like went quiet in the kitchen, and Kalita like ran into the room. She's like, "What are y'all doing?" We were like, "Get out! Get out!"
Yeah, it got too quiet, right?
Yeah. So yeah, I'm so happy you like it. Hey guys, so it is the eve of Kalita's birthday. She's currently not home right now. She actually went to Target to pick up some last minute things, and I am so excited. So you already saw the video of her receiving the card that I made her and that had everybody sign, and then the vocal lesson with Natalie Weiss, and all the feels, right? I was there for it, and I didn't cry or anything like that, but then I was sending it to like the people who pitched in who weren't at work with us, and I was sending the video to them, and I was watching it at the same time, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. It was really, really sweet. But I'm also really excited because she thinks that that's the only sneaky thing that we've done. She has no idea about what is going to be at the airport tomorrow. And by what, I mean who. I'm so excited. So I will also be filming that. I hope that I can just keep her just a little more out of it. I hope that the only surprise she thinks she got was her gift and that nothing else is coming, but she got another thing.
Good morning, peeps. I look busted, I know. It is 1:40 a.m. on a lovely Friday morning. Today is when we fly out to New York. Again, Kalita has no idea that I'm gonna be there, so we're planning to meet at the airport outside. So I just woke up. I went to sleep late, so I've got about 3 hours of sleep, barely. But I'm excited, so I'll wake up real quick. I'm just gonna go shower and get ready to leave, and then we'll meet at the airport and I will document. Okay, so I am pretty much done getting ready. I just need to put a few more things in my bag and then I'll head out. And yeah, kind of like a little bit more awake now, but still struggling a little. But yeah, I'm gonna head out now. So I will talk to you guys in like 2.5 seconds. Okay, so please don't judge me, but your girl is on a budget, and although if I were to take an Uber from home to the airport, it's like maybe 35-40 minutes. It's also $1 million. So if I take the train, it takes longer, like close to 2 hours, like 1 hour 45 minutes, just 2 trains. It's actually not a bad commute if you got like good tunes, but yeah, so I'm taking the train because that's just $1 million. I have more in my pocket and I can use it to spend elsewhere. So I'm just waiting for the train, but it is like really cold today. And you can see see the track behind me. Well, y'all. So we are on our way. We're on our way, guys.
McDonald's is open.
Clearly doesn't eat McDonald's.
Good morning. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I should be
Can't
sleeping.
see you.
I should be asleep at
No.
3 in the morning.
You volunteered. No one feels bad for you.
I'm very sleepy this morning.
And green light. Oh, that worked! We did it, we did it, we did it. We surprised her, we surprised her, we surprised her. Yeah, you know what? She's a little sleepy, but yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Because the Sound of OMS is about to take over New York City for the weekend.
When I get home and I forgot.
Zone 1 is welcome to line up at this time for flight 224 with service to New York LaGuardia. The first agent will be verifying your boarding passes. The second agent will be scanning. Your IDs are not required at this time. We are currently boarding Zone 1.
Dance queen.
walking back to the hotel after going to Grand Central Station. I have these two behind me. And we are going to put our bags in our room. And then I'm going to my vocal lesson with Natalie Weiss. So excited. We look so good. Golden hour. Yes. Okay, so we're downstairs. We're not going to say where because it's nobody's business. But we're downstairs waiting for Kalita because she just started her lesson with Natalie Weiss. And she was really chill and very like cool and calm. And Kalita was very nervous, of course, because she loves her. She loves her voice and her teaching.
It's something she always wanted to do.
So we're so excited. We're like sitting downstairs, just like we're like, oh, I can't wait till she comes downstairs and talks to us about it. And like, I can't wait to see her excitement and what notes she gives her. So we're just chilling. We're just chilling like villains.
Like villains. Chilling like villains.
Yeah, but we've had a pretty eventful day today. We
flew in.
We flew in.
At the
There's
crack
that.
of dawn.
We surprised Kalita at the airport. We flew in. We came here. We took the train and the bus. Oh, well,
Yeah, we transferred
from the airport on a
via
shuttle.
bus.
So kind of
Yeah.
bus. But we took the train into the city. We walked over to Grand Central Station. We printed some sheet music at FedEx. We changed and did makeup. So that way we could take cute pictures at Grand Central Station.
And we did all this in the lobby.
In the lobby of the hotel because we weren't allowed to check in until 3. And so we checked into the hotel and then we came here. And now we're waiting. And after this we're going to go to the MoMA, to the Museum of Modern Art. And then we're going to eat because then we're going to go. We get really hangry. It's bad. It's like 3 different types of hangry. That we should do a video on that. Like the different types of hangry.
Because that's good note.
Keep us to that. Like keep us on that. If we haven't done it in like a month, be like, hey, you haven't put that types of hangry video out, and I want it. And the vocal rest started pack. Yeah, so keep us on lock, y'all. All right, keep us on lock.
Oh, and then after MoMA and eating,
we're gonna go see 6. Oh yeah, for the 3rd time, technically, the show, and the 7th time for Natalie. Do you guys think she likes the show?
This is my farewell tour. My farewell show.
This is the show that Natalie was like, you know what? If there's a show that I was ever gonna spend 7 times of my life watching, it's this one. So yeah, after that we're gonna go see 6, and then hopefully we're gonna go back to the hotel and really just compress,
Chill.
Like, just chill.
We got a stage door first.
We got a stage door. Oh, absolutely. I need my Play-Doh sign. I need my pics. I was like, I need to be an ultimate fan girl, really badly. So
It's been a great day. It's been a long day. We're tired. We're working on like 2, 3, 4 hours of sleep. But we're making it through.
We're gonna crash so good tonight, and
have
then we're
a
gonna
good day
wake
tomorrow.
up tomorrow, and we're gonna do more, which we don't know exactly yet. But we have a lot of stuff planned. We just don't know in what order yet. So we'll keep you guys updated. Anything else you'd like to say, madam?
Peace out, Butter Scouts.
Oh snap! We're so goofy.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Hi. How was?
It was amazing. I learned so much,
I knew it.
like more than I've learned in my entire
I
life.
knew it.
She fixed me. There was nothing wrong with you.
She improved.
Yes, yes.
She had a lot of work. Like she had no work. You're like, come on now. You had a very good base.
Fix perfection.
Right. But you can tweak it.
And it was like she put it in. She did things that I could understand.
Layman's terms.
Yeah. She wasn't just all professional and like telling you all the professional words for things. She was telling you in a way that you could actually understand it.
And she gave me some things to practice at home, like breathing getting on top of the note and lifting my soft palate in the back.
And you were comfortable.
Yeah.
See? The fact that she showed, like, she just came and was like, hey.
She was so chill and calm.
Yeah.
That made you chill and calm.
Told you.
And then she sang some of the song, and I was like, can I just hear you sing?
Are you fangirling a little bit?
Was it on
You
the
fangirling?
waitress
We
one?
did him for the weekend.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm just so soft.
We just wanted to get everything while it was fresh in
Yeah,
your
we
mind.
just wanted to just soak it all in, live
And
vicariously
while
through
you're still
you.
on that high, because you're gonna be on that high for a couple of like months.
We wanted to
but
live
we wanted to
vicariously
get the
through you.
We want to get the first high.
I'll teach you guys
The
what I
contact.
know.
Rub off your thumb on me.
The Natalie powers.
From one Natalie to another.
All right, I'm done with y'all.
I told her your name was Natalie.
Oh my god.
We're on our way to go see Six. Hey guys. Hey guys. Natalie. Say hi.
Oh hi! I was wondering what I was looking at. I was like, why does it look like something you filmed already?
We are walking along the Brooklyn Bridge. Cute. Let's turn in. See it? Yes. That's the bridge, y'all. We are here on the Brooklyn Bridge. And Nakia taking pictures. Day 2, New York. Hey y'all, so I just finished Sabrina season 3 on Netflix, and I don't trust ice cream trucks like this no more. Thanks a lot.
What did we just do?
Okay, we just got our caricatures taken
Okay, finish.
all together.
Like it? Pretty. You know what she told me? You know what she told me? Oh, Titi.
Time to go home. In Times Square.
Thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed our video.
And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to like,
Comment
And subscribe
down below.